If you are serious about earning consistent, repeatable income from options trading, pay attention. Because most people are not trading. They are just speed running financial stupidity with a brokerage app. That is exactly why I built Options Formula. This is not a hype room. This is not some buy my course and believe in yourself circus. Inside the free community, you get one high probability trade every day. You also get the breakdown, so you can see the structure, the reasoning, and how the setup is being used in real time. And the whole thing is built around bullish debit spreads. Defined risk, cleaner structure, no nonsense. No random gambling disguised as analysis. Now, here is the part people either love or pretend not to understand. Every trade in the tracker is a real trade I personally took. Wins and losses, all of it. Not theory, not mock trades, not some fake screenshot from a trader who suddenly becomes a genius after editing out the bad days. You can also see the full verified performance through my Kinfo profile inside the community. So you are not being asked to trust vibes. You are being shown receipts. And if you are wondering whether this is worth it, let us do the math like adults for 5 seconds. VIP is $34 a month. That is chump change. One trade can easily cover that for several months. One trade can cover the whole year. And if a single good setup cannot pay for itself, then the real issue is probably not the membership price. It is the way most people are trading like they are, allergic to discipline. The goal here is simple. Take the free trade. Review the tracker. See how the setups work. Then decide whether you want the full flow of daily trades. I typically post anywhere from 20 to 25 plus trades per day, depending on the market. So if you are serious, there's plenty to work with. If you want the free setup, go to my profile, hit the school link, and join the community. Do that first. Then stop pretending the market owes you money. It does not. That is a terrible personality trait anyway.